I swear, we don't do this on purpose. What's up, guys? Jesse here with Jesse Does It. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I got Amanda here with me. You didn't say hi.
How you doing?
She needs to talk louder, needs to be bubbly, be happy, because the guys are here to see you, not me. Today's video, we're going to discuss some things that I have coming up. I'm not really going to work on the car this weekend, I don't think. I think I'm going to spend time with the family. We'll see if I can hold true to that or not. But I've got some stuff here. And something back there that you haven't seen yet. So I'm going to go over what the plans are and have Amanda film me and maybe discuss a little bit with her as well. So stay tuned and we'll get right into that.
Okay.
Okay.
So, what do we got here, babe?
And this pile is the stuff that I've been longing to get to. Finally, some power performance modifications. We have an performance RPM intake, Edelbrock. This is Edelbrock. This is a 500 CFM 4-barrel carburetor. Now, in order to put the 4-barrel carburetor on, you have to have a 4-barrel intake as well. So we're going to change out the intake, change out the carburetor, add some power, make it breathe better. With that, I will do a fuel line, fuel filter. I do have the Felpro gaskets because I told you before I'm a fan of Felpro. And in that, the distributor has to come out. So this is something that I have not touched in a very long time, and I do not even own one until now. Yes, Amazon cheap. It should do the trick though. This is a timing gun. Gonna have to do some refreshing on how to use this. I believe the clamp goes over cylinder 1 wire and then positive and negative, and then you shine it down on the pulley there and read your numbers. Anyways, that's the gist of it. I am going to have to relearn how to time this Mustang and also tune a carburetor. Out of the box, it's supposed to be ready to go. I'm sure it will run, but it will require some fine tuning. So there we go. So Amanda, now I've just explained all what that is. How do you feel about it? This is your car. Are you excited for
How fast
this?
are we talking?
You're not going to notice that much of a difference. It might add 30-40 horsepower.
Okay.
Okay, cool. So are you stoked for this to go into your car? Because
Yeah.
it's your car, you know?
Yeah.
Everyone keeps telling me it's my car, but it's your car.
I mean, as long as it's something I can handle.
Was this something you wanted?
I don't know if any of this stuff is stuff I wanted.
What is this called again?
Carburetor.
Ooh, good job. What's this?
Don't tell me. Forehead something.
A 4-head?
4-barrel.
Yes, intake manifold. All right, cool. And what was this?
Timing light. Sounds like that's going to be the hardest part for you.
No, that one's gonna be fine. Maybe playing with the throttle adjustment and idle air mixtures on the carburetor might be the most tricky, but it all should be fairly simple. So cool.
She looks pretty.
Yep, she looks pretty, guys. I got a confirmation on that.
Avert your eyes from all of the trash.
Hey, that's not trash. That's keepsake stuff. That's stuff eventually.
I'm talking about the wall. Avert your eyes from all the trash on the wall.
That's my fishing stuff that I gave up because we had kids. Thank you. So now I have new hobbies called cars. That stuff I can work on here at the house. In this pile, this is pile number 2. We have some stuff that I'm timid about. We have sandpaper. We have sanding block. We have body filler. We have primer. And I may get a lot of flack for this, but we have panel bond and panel bond gun. Yes, there is a welder right there. You can look at the welder. Yes, I know how to weld. I just think this is going to be simpler. So, time for the surprise. Follow me. As you are aware, there is rust holes. We are going to fix that. I have a big, beautiful quarter panel. Yes, brand new with all sorts of dents and dings and awesomeness. Thanks, shippers. But I think that's okay because my plan is to just cut out the rust and cut out the parts that I need, glue them on, and then body fill and make it better than it is right now. So, what do you think?
I don't know how I feel about that.
Babe, you got rust holes or something better than rust holes?
Sounds a little jerry-rigged to me.
This is a correct way to do it. It is not the only way to do it. There is other ways that may be better. But for now, this is going to work for us. So are you happy to get rid of rust holes?
Yes.
Are you scared that I'm going to cut fenders off of your car?
Yes.
Me too. That's why I think we're going to start with this first. That's going to be probably next weekend or so for me to dig into that. And then hopefully soon I can gain confidence on repairing these. Now, there is only one panel there. The other panel should be here sometime. It supposedly shipped a week ago, but hasn't came yet. So we will have to wait on that to get here. But I think it's going to go fine. I mean, she's not the most show quality car on earth. So if it's not perfect, then it's not the end of the world. Eventually one day, maybe I'll pay somebody that does this stuff for a living to do it. But until then, I'm going to keep doing what I can do. Like I said in the last video, it's all about making the car better with the skills, know-how, and money that you have. So that's my plan.
Sounds good.
All right, guys, I appreciate you watching my channel and all the love and support. As always, I am Jesse.
And Amanda.
With Jesse Does It. And till the next project.
Thanks for watching.
I literally said a whole bunch and all you said was thanks for watching. Cut.
This is Jesse.
We're not going to cut. We're going to just keep rolling. So come on. Do my outro.
Okay. This is Jesse. You do me now.
Oh, this is Amanda. This is my lovely wife, Amanda.
Thanks for watching. Until next time, make sure you like,
comment,
and subscribe.
I know this video is short, not so cool and as fun as all my other ones. I'm sorry about that, but I promise the next video should hopefully be better. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like what you see, like, comment, and subscribe. This is Amanda. This is Jesse with Jesse Does It. Till the next
adventure. Project.
All the above. Actually, we have a camping trip coming up soon, so that should be up soon too. So anyways, guys, till next time, appreciate it.